This video is on using Panopto, a video recorder, as part of Blackboard. The first step, let's assume that you're going to use this to create a new announcement, is you are going to click on the plus sign. You can also do this within a discussion window, or in the content modules, you can just click on create new content. Any place that has this editing bar will have this little plus, and you'll be able to add a Panopto video to it. So you click on the plus sign and it will bring up a menu that looks like this, and then you're going to click on Panopto Video. I think sometimes it says Panopto Video Tool. It's not the Panopto student submission, it's the Panopto video that you want. And it will bring up a little screen like this. This is on a PC. This is how it looks like on a PC. It might look slightly different on your computer. And they give you three different options. You can choose a video that you've recorded before. So if you record a video for one section and you want to use it in another section, you would just click on the video that you want. Or you can upload a video that you've made maybe on YouTube or somewhere, or on your phone or something like that. Or you can record. So for our purposes, you're going to click on record. And then it will bring up this window, and you have two choices. You can record using the Panopto app. Again, I'm on a Windows computer. I'm on a Mac. I'm assuming it looks similar. Or you have the choice to record within a browser, so you don't have to download the software. If you download the software, you have more choices than you do if you just do it in the browser. And I'm going to show you what both of those look like. So the next step, I'm going to show you what it looks like when you've downloaded the Panopto software onto your computer. So this download version, as you can see, has a lot of options. You can select which camera you're using, which audio input, the quality of the video. You can also record with secondary sources. So if you've seen those videos where there's PowerPoint in the background and the little head in the corner, you can do that. You can capture your main screen, second screen. So it's a lot more it just gives you more options. But I don't usually use those options. I usually just leave those secondary sources unchecked, and then it's just going to capture what's in that little window. Actually, what you see right there is what it's going to capture. And then I'm going to click on record. Once I've recorded my video and I click on stop, this little window is going to come up, recording complete. You can put in a session name and a discussion if you want, and it'll show you the folder it's in is the folder for your course. If you don't like it, you can delete and record again, or you can click done. When you click done, it will come up with this screen like this. It's like a little pop-up screen, and it's going to show you that your video is processing. It takes a few minutes, depending on how long the video is. I'd say like maybe 2 minutes to 10 minutes. And when it's done, you'll see that resume, share, edit, and view will all be available there. And I like to view it just to make sure my sound, I can hear my sound, and that I don't look like a complete idiot. And that if you click on view, it opens up in another window, and then you can just close that window when you're done viewing it. And when you are happy with it, then you can close this window. So when you close that other window, it brings you back here and to Blackboard, and you'll see there's now a button in the lower right-hand corner that says Insert Videos. You can click on Insert Videos, and then that's going to bring you back into whatever screen you started with, and then you just click Submit. So if you can add text into that box as well, and then click Submit, and you'll be done. Now let me show you what it looks like if you use the web. Okay, if you do the browser version, it comes up in your browser, whatever browser you're using, as on another tab, and it'll have a very simple screen like this, where you just hit the red button to record. Again, you can click on the microphone or the camera if you want to do the settings, but it's very, very simple. You just click, you record what you want, and then click stop. And then once you've hit stop, the screen will change to look something like this. You can actually scroll down in there and there are more choices. Here's where you can change the title of your video and put in a description if you want. And again, it shows you which folder it's in. So this is very similar to that other screen, and you can preview it just by clicking on it. And then once you make sure that you're okay with it, that everything recorded properly, then you close that window and then go back to Blackboard. So you've closed your browser window, you go back to Blackboard, and it'll look like something like this. You'll have to click on Choose. Remember we had clicked on Record on those 3 buttons right in the middle there? Now you're going to click on Choose, and you choose which video you want. It should be the one on the top, and then you're going to click on Insert Videos. And then that will bring you back to the screen where you started. Either it's a message that you're sending as an announcement, or it's a discussion board, or whatever it is, and then you're going to click Submit. And again, in this window, you could put other things. You could put another video, or you could put words, text, whatever, and then click Submit. So that's it. That's how you use Panopto within Blackboard.